It's supposed to be one of the busiest weekends of the year, but as you can see here in Cocoa Beach, some beachfront businesses are struggling as the threat of Dorian looms. Labor Day business is not exactly booming near the water in Cocoa Beach as Hurricane Dorian slowly makes its way towards the state.
No one's been through. We usually get hundreds of visitors every day, and it's just been one of those days that just, drives everyone away. It's a gorgeous day, but the hurricane is just going to kill it all, which unfortunately.
Pun says Captain Jay's doesn't see days like this very often.
Even if it's a Cat 1, it scares everyone away, which stinks.
Frank Figoria, the manager of Sandbar, echoed those sentiments, though his bar is still seeing some familiar faces. He says Sandbar is open regular hours until a mandatory evacuation notice would come down.
For the most part, it has slowed down. Everyone's kind of scared. Obviously, we still have our dedicated locals who still come out no matter what. But it is taking a little bit of a hindrance, especially when we're supposed to be preparing for one of the busiest weekends of the year.
Both spots are preparing for the worst, a Category 4 hurricane at landfall.
I believe the last time there was a major storm, and we did lose power. We threw away $1,000 worth of merchandise, a lot of food. So we're trying to keep things minimal.
For the latest on Hurricane Dorian, including any updated watches, warnings, and evacuation notices, stay tuned to your free WFLA app. We're tracking the tropics to keep those all over the state of Florida safe. In Cocoa Beach, Daisy Ruth, 8 on your side.